Hello, my name is Varun from Team Builder PC, and this is our final project for CS411. Our project allows users to navigate, get recommendations, as well as add reviews to a database of PC parts, thus making the PC building process easy for users. So let's navigate to the website. This is our homepage. As you can see, there's a login widget right here, or a button that takes us to the parts list page. Since we don't have to log in to take advantage of this website, let's see the website logged out first. So this is the parts list page where we list all the different part types that we have on our website. These have been crawled from various sources. So let's check out different CPUs. So this takes us to the CPU list page where we list all the CPUs that we have in our database. The data table over here lists them. You can see that we have 84 CPUs. We can see their names, image, price. We can sort these using name, you can sort these using price, or you can search for a particular one if you already know the name of what you're looking for. Um, or we can increase the number of entries that are displayed or navigate using these buttons at the bottom. On top, we see our first advanced feature, which is a comparison system or where we display the highest rated CPUs on our database. It gives us the average rating for the highest rated CPUs. Um, on the right, we can see a distribution chart for the best selling CPUs. So these are the top 10 best selling CPUs that we have. Let's navigate to a particular CPU page. So this is the review page for the particular part that we clicked on. We can see the name, we can see the price. Scrolling down, we can see a different implementation of our first advanced feature where it is a more direct comparison. On the left, we can see the part that we're currently on has an average rating of 1, and we can compare that with other higher rated parts or highly rated CPUs. On the left, we can see the sales of that particular part compared with other higher selling CPUs. Further down, we can see our second advanced feature, which is a recommendation system. We recommend both other types of other CPUs as well as other types of parts. So these parts may be RAMs, other motherboards or cases or whatever. So the recommendations are based on how often users in the past viewed the components page of a pair of parts in close temporal proximity. We identify a user session and constantly update a data structure to keep track of these view correlations. So to avoid needing a large amount of storage, since we have a lot of parts, for this particular implementation, we used a data structure called account min sketch. This allowed us to reduce the required storage space, albeit sacrificing a little bit of accuracy. But since this is a recommendation system, this was a preferred implementation for us. Further down, we can see reviews for this part. We see that there's a single review for this part. When we click, we can see that we can see the review, which is this, the username, the rating that was given. We can also see comments on this part, but we can see that this part doesn't have any comment. This review doesn't have any comments. To add a review, we'll need to log in. So let's log in. We can create a new account by clicking this button. Well, let's log into one that already exists. So as you can see, it took us to a logged in page where we can navigate through just like before. Okay, so this is a different page, a different part, but over here we can see that there are reviews already existing. We can add our own review. We can add a rating of up till 5. Let's go with 3, submit our review. You can see it added our review. with a rating of 3. We can delete our comment or edit it. So let's edit it first. So let's click edit review, which it did. Or we can delete our review, which it did. We can also add comments. As well as delete and edit the comment as well. Another thing we can do is navigate to a particular user's page. So what this page shows is the favorite parts of that user. The way we're defining favorite parts is that if a user gave it a 4+ rating, then we add it to this page. So over here we can see all the different parts that this user gave a 4+ rating to. We can navigate to the type or the particular part page. So here we see we navigated to that particular parts page. We see the price and other specifications. We can similarly we can see the distribution and the comparison, other recommendations, reviews, um, and so on. The home button takes us back to the original homepage, and from there we can log out. So let's now create a new account. We require a username of at least 5 characters and a password of at least 6 characters. So if I try and create a username with less than that, it will throw us an error. Similarly for password, but let's add that and create. As you can see, it logs us in as foo123. From there, we can navigate similarly as before. All right, let's log out. Thank you for watching.